Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to turn off Meta AI on Instagram. So if you don't like the Meta AI or you find it unnecessary and you want to turn it off, then I'll show you in this video how it could be possible. So first you have to simply click onto your Instagram app to open it. As the app gets open, then you have to simply look for Meta AI. As you can see, I have got into the search, and here in the search I have this option for search with Meta AI, but don't have any option related to Meta AI, like where I can go to it. Even I go to my chat or the DMs, or if I go to my profile, or even if I go to the settings, you can see I don't have any option for Meta. But when I scroll down there, I see the option for Meta AI. And once you click onto it, it says that install this app. So what you have to do is you just have to simply update your Instagram app. And with this new update, the Meta AI has gone out of Instagram and now it is into another app which is called Meta AI. It's a separate app for Meta AI. So if you don't like using it, you don't have to install it. You just have to simply update your Instagram app and then you will see the Meta AI option will be gone from there. So whenever you want to use it again, then you have to use this app Meta AI, that you have to install it separately, and then you will be able to do it. So for now it is gone. Just simply update your Instagram app and you will get rid of Meta AI. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Thank you so much for watching the video.